In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best tonneau cover for Toyota Tacoma available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. An open truck can be a bit risky. Things are quite likely to fall off or be damaged by wind or rain. You can protect the contents of your truck with a cover, as well as give it a stylish appearance. There is no better bed cover for Tacoma than the Tyger Auto Tonneau cover. The old trifold design complements the structure of your vehicle. Over an aluminum frame, the soft, double-coated, marine-grade vinyl fabric can be folded 2 ways. The rigidity of this cover makes closing and opening more efficient than soft fabric covers. Because of its soft material, the cover is extremely portable and easy to install, carry, and use on your truck. It is also completely weatherproof and can withstand heavy rains and strong winds. As a result, you will be able to store all of your cargo easily in the bed of your truck. Additionally, it's able to reduce air drag while driving, which is another unique feature. With this significant element, you can save up to 12% on gas. The Tacoma world is dominated by BAK products. This hard folding cover, in particular, offers a perfect combination of protection, flexibility, and simplicity, making it one of the best I've used. Its main advantage is the durability of the aluminum panels with a UV and scratch-resistant finish. It offers excellent water resistance and protection against theft and the elements due to its secure fit on the tailgate. It performs best under extreme conditions. It's a perfect choice for truck owners who lead an active lifestyle and are always on the move. The cover is not only durable but also allows for partial or full access to the truck bed thanks to its trifold design. Having a cover that can be opened on either side without opening the tailgate, buckles and prop rods that secure it upright, I found it incredibly easy to access the truck bed as much or as little as I needed. Recently, I came across a very convenient design. Cargo at the back of a truck without any protection is worrisome. You could easily spoil or steal the contents while driving. A cover like the MaxMate bed tonneau cover will keep your things protected. It features a 24 ounces vinyl trifold design, and it is dual-coated to provide extra strength. Furthermore, the lid is entirely weatherproof due to its marine-grade material, so as soon as you cover your contents, you will be protected from heavy rains and winds. Stainless steel clamps and rails are used on this cover. It's easy to place them and they're incredibly durable. A powder-coated aluminum frame ensures long-lasting durability. The installation process is simple and takes only a few minutes. Covers provide adequate protection against grime, dust, and moisture once installed. The cover's low-profile structure will also reduce air pollution from the truck. As a result of this fantastic feature, fuel consumption is reduced by 13%. Whenever you need access to your vehicle's bed, the already assembled parallel crossbars will effortlessly fold with the cover. You get both protection and style with the extang Solid Fold 2.0 tonneau cover. It works with all 2016 to 2020 Toyota Tacomas with a 5-foot bed, and it's the best hard folding cover for Tacomas. It looks stylish and classy with its black matte finish, but even better, it's durable and secure. Its 1-inch thick, automotive-grade polymer panels are surprisingly durable and dent-resistant. For years to come, it will stand up to the wear and tear of work environments such as construction sites. It's also easy to install. Installing the cover is as simple as tightening the jaw grip clamps on the bed flanges and unfolding the cover. Once the easy lock clamps are lowered at the tailgate, they will lock in place. With hard rubber corners, snap-on seals, and hinge caps, the cover protects your cargo from the elements as well. The tailgate can only be opened to access your cargo, which adds an additional layer of security. Generally, finding the right tonneau cover for a truck is a difficult task. Even then, you have to be sure whether or not it will last for a long time. The Gator Soft Tri-Fold cover is a sturdy cover you can't go wrong with. Buying an affordable cover is the best option if you're looking for one. Besides being portable and easy to carry, The soft cover comes with clamps and hinges to ensure optimal safety. In addition to being robust and resilient, this cover is also resistant to tears and scratches. It also makes it impossible for water to get inside the truck bed. The aluminum framework of the cover is constructed with crossbows, which prevents snow and rain from pooling over it. In addition to protecting the bed from wind and road dust, it is easy to install since it doesn't require drilling or external tools. In order for the cover to be locked into position, straps are attached to it. By unlocking the clamps, you can remove the cover within seconds if you have bulky cargo. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.